Welcome. I'm going to show you how to complete 3 simple tasks for your discipleship group on Planning Center. First, go to midtownfellowship.org on your computer. Next, hover over the group's logo and click Leader Resources. You will be asked to enter your password, head, heart, hands with capital H's here. Then click Enter. You can also find the weekly discussion guides to download for your group here on the left-hand side. Click on Login for Planning Center groups on the right-hand side. This will take you to the Planning Center website, where you'll be asked to enter your username and password for Planning Center. Click Login. You will see your group name listed on the left-hand side. Click on your group and you'll be taken to the settings. Let's start with a roster check. If anyone is leaving the group, check the box to the left of their name. An orange icon will appear at the top of the roster that says Remove Members. Click there. You will be asked to confirm if you want to remove this member. Click Yes, I'm sure. Next, to add a member, click the green button on the top right side of the roster that says Invite a new member. You can add their email address and a brief message if you'd like. Then click Deliver Invitation at the bottom right-hand side. You can view pending members at the bottom of your roster. New members who join from the website will also need to be confirmed here. Now, let's look at your group settings. Click on Settings on the left sidebar. Fill in your meeting schedule here, your location here, your contact information here, and a description of your group here. Feel free to add a public picture here by uploading an image yourself or choosing from a free photo that Planning Center offers. Last, let's schedule your meeting times to make Planning Center useful for your whole group. Go to the left sidebar and click on Events. Click the green button on the right-hand side that says Create a new event. You will be asked to enter your event name, a start date, start and end time, and an end date. Make sure you click the frequency that you would like for your event and how often it will happen. You can put a brief description of your event here. And remember to also put your location here. When you're ready, click Create Event at the bottom right side. Your meeting and group event has now been created. You can cancel or edit your event using the buttons here on the top right-hand side. That's it. You're ready for group.